Okay, so tomorrow you have a quiz. The quiz tomorrow is only on section 3.1. The quiz, we did two separate homeworks, 3.1A, 3.1B. The quiz looks just like this quiz review. We're giving you a gift. There are 4 questions tomorrow. 2 of them are like numbers 1 and 2. You must complete the square. So when it says to put your equation in standard form, majority of the points for the first 2 questions will be your demonstration of completing the square. If you do not use completing the square and get it into the correct vertex form, you've just lost the majority of the points. The rest of the points for that question will come from finding the vertex, the axis of symmetry, which must be written as x equals. It must be an equation. You will get it wrong if you do not write it as an equation. You will be writing your x and y intercepts as order pairs, and you will also be giving the domain and the range. Okay, and then you will also be graphing it. Then you will have your third question is going to be like numbers 3 and 4, but you're only going to get one of those. And here you need to use the negative b over 2a. In order to find the axis of symmetry, find the vertex, find the x and y intercepts, find the domain and range, and then graph it. And then the last question, number 4, is just like number 5 on your review. So we've just given you a gift. This is pretty much your quiz. Be able to complete the square, answer all the questions, 2 of the questions. The third one, you must use the negative b over 2a. And then the fourth one is just giving you the vertex and a coordinate and asking you to come up with the standard form. So this is your quiz. It's already posted, or quiz review. The blank one and this solution file is already posted on Canvas. Any questions about tomorrow's quiz? It's on paper. It is not on Canvas. To study for the quiz, do this review. I also recommend you go back, maybe redo the examples in the notes or redo your homework. Whatever way you want to do it, remember you have access to your e-textbook and you have the answers. You have Calc Chat to check them.